What's up, viewers and subscribers? Continue watching the video if you want to see more clips of Nardo Wick brother. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. So viewers subscribers, rapper Nardo Wick brother has been arrested after he was caught by a doorbell camera shooting in someone's house in Florida. Yeah, people, I don't know why he think he could do this and get away scot-free because everybody else now have a doorbell camera. That wasn't a wise move by Nardo with brother. And I'm not even gonna talk too long, my people. Just check out the next letter, Nardo with brother and the crime. Here you have it, viewers and subscribers. That was Nardo Wick brother caught by the doorbell camera shooting in someone's house in Florida. And I'm not gonna tell no lie. Nardo Wick brother, yo, you're not normal, you're mad, you're wicked, you're bad, you're sick kid. No joke. Talk to no people. Why him thinks now him could have got the people them house and shooting at the people them house without no one see them or the doorbell camera not catch him. Yo, that is not a wise move, my G. No joke. And I'm not even gonna talk too long. I want you now, my viewers and my subscribers and all of the Nardo Wick fans them, spam up the comment section and tell me what you all think about his brother getting caught by the doorbell camera shooting in someone's house in Florida. In mad, in wicked people. Right now, just spam up the comment section and let me know what I got. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. You know it's your boy Cian, and I'm out.
Cian Entertainment Review. Cian Entertainment Review. Yeah, Cian Channel Art. Dog, me say them eat art. Cian Channel Art. Yeah, me say them art. You see, I know the prayer. Don't know how big than I represent for Cian Entertainment Reviews. What world have to stay attention when them on the drop news. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like and comment and share to a friend. I be give you outside.